At 15, Daniel Johnson is already on his way to becoming a successful businessman.
I have 200 head pigs, and we just start by some little wood, so I have about 6 mother goats.
His love for animals became evident before he became a teen.
Daniel would get up at night time, and if he hear a goat, a ball or something like that, he would get up any hours and go out there and go look.
And his journey to becoming a businessman started shortly after.
Daniel come to me and tell me, say, he want 5 pigs. And I ask him, say, what you do with the 5 pigs? He said, we want for raise. Keep asking about money, and like by the Friday, we give Daniel the $20,000. And he go and buy the pig them, and he raise them, and when they reach his size, he sell them back and buy back other one.
Daniel learned much of what he knows from his father, who started the business over 40 years ago.
When about 5 years, I realized I love the farm. I'm interested in it. I said, I do everything. I used to inject pig them, do everything to them. So eventually, he come and himself, they want to do it to him, give me nigger.
That's one of the things that sparked his love for the job.
When my father collect money, I collect enough, so I'm saying, I want to start early. So I know I not depend on nobody at a younger age.
After his father became ill, Daniel never dropped the ball.
Proud of him every day. Can make him independent.
Daniel knows how to medicate the animals, stamp his own brand on them, and how to separate the newborns so they don't get crushed by their mothers. He buys his own feed and uses a van his mother passed down to him to take them back to his cattle farm. Daniel's love for the business has drawn other youngsters to get involved, but the job can be taxing, and during those times, Daniel employs help. Daniel admits to making a fair share of money from his business, but says even with his passion, his enthusiasm sometimes wanes.
Enough time I feel like I give up, but just say, I know what I want, so I say, go and work for it, you know.
Daniel is a student at the Cumberland High School in St. Catherine, and even with a hectic job, he still finds time for his lessons and a little bit of time to surf the internet.
More in the night, I left from around here. So.
But how do you get to the homework and so on? How do you do that?
So when I reach home, at night I stay up and do it.
I'm Kirk Wright for Ray of Hope.
A ray of hope.